Mayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Kibran sa Dimaporo, Congressman of the 1st District of Lanao del Norte. And I just want to give a message para sa mga candidates namin for this coming barangay election. Natapos na yung filing of candidacies. Nakita na namin sino yung mga interested candidates in vying for the most basic but also most important position throughout the land, and that's our barangay captains, barangay kagawads, and SK leaders. Para sa akin, ang pinaka-importante whenever we conduct our elections is honest, orderly, and peaceful elections. I'm hoping that our candidates vying for barangay positions will protect the name and image of the province of Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty. Ayaw namin na may mga bloody na mga elections dito. Ayaw namin na may barilan o suntukan o other forms of violence just to get position. We hope that we can maintain calm, orderly, and peaceful elections din sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. For us to do that, we need the support of the electorate, yung mga botante, and also the candidates. I'm hoping that the COMELEC, the PNP, and the DepEd can do their utmost best duties so that when we complete the barangay elections, we can stand proud here sa Region 10 na kami sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, we had a very calm, clean, and orderly elections.